What James Neville Taylor has created here is just truly incredible.
He is an outstanding marketer. He's actually proven himself to be such. And when I heard about his new system, I jumped in as an early adopter right away. And I can't be more pleased with what he's created.
You have literally set a new high bar, a new standard for done-for-you systems out there, period.
How does it get any better than this? It looks like he's left no stone unturned when it comes to giving us a complete system. The products, the offers, the lead magnets, and best of all, these are all branded with my name and brand rather than his.
When you see this, you're going to be like, holy crap, this is amazing. The work is in. And he's done it all. Cross the T's, dotted the I's, a true done-for-you program.
I'm super, super excited because I just checked my leads and it looks like I already have 8 different leads and it looks like 2 of them have already activated their Builderall accounts.
Never in my life have I been so impressed with something so well thought out and efficient. It's like the Picasso of affiliate marketing, a true masterpiece.
I can't believe how easy it was all to connect. The time that it took was way less than it would have taken if I would have done it all by myself.
The automation that you've put into the setup alone, that's phenomenal. I've never seen anything like that. And believe me, I've been looking for something like this.
The system, oh my gosh, you guys, just look at it. And once you figure out what it is, I'm going to tell you, after you get it, you're going to find out it's much, much more.
As I say, James is one of the nicest fellas I've ever met. He's genuine, he's trustworthy, he's supportive, he will back you up. He's helped me out a lot over the last 3 years.
Just by implementing some of the strategies and tips that you shared with me, I've been able to take things to the next level. You clearly know what you're talking about, as your advice has enabled me to more than 10 times my sales in a short amount of time.
Ever since, guys, I mean, this guy's been generating leads like crazy for me. He's been helping me get sales like nobody's business. So I couldn't be more proud of that.
He really is a genuine person. And that's kind of what I loved about James. He was honest, he never gave you no BS, and he was just straight to the point. And that's what you need with people online today.